this class we will learn about activity 3. Okay, right. So in activity 3 we have to make our own stethoscope. Okay, so for this, what is the aim of this activity? Making a stethoscope. For this we need a paper, okay, nearly about 10 centimeters long and 1 centimeter diameter. Okay, so take a paper. So like this paper we need nearly 10 centimeters length and nearly 5 to 6 centimeters diameter, because width should be nearly 5 to 6 centimeters. When we fold like this, the diameter should be at least 1 inch. Okay, total diameter should be at least 1 inch diameter and 10 centimeters length paper tube. So this tube is nothing but stethoscope. Okay, right. So now let us select some students, 5 to 6 students, and now we have to do this activity. Keep one end of this paper tube with your ear, okay, and another end on the chest of your friend. Okay, so here in this region, and that region from throat nearly 6 centimeters. How many centimeters? From the throat region up to 6 centimeters and 1 inch slightly left. So this point here we have to keep here. So likewise keep one end of the paper tube to your ear and another end on your friend's chest. Okay, like then observe. Okay, we can hear the heartbeat of our friend. Okay, so likewise we have to count the number of heartbeats per a minute. How much time? At least per a minute. Okay, and note down your observation. Okay, what you hear. Similarly check his pulse rate per a minute. Okay, keep index finger and middle finger on the wrist. Okay, so count the pulse rate per a minute also. Let us see the result. Okay, result of this activity. First write serial number. First one, already in the textbook a name is given, Ishwar, heart rate 72 minutes, 72 times per minute, pulse rate also 72 times per minute is given. And let's see second example. Itself me, Shankar. We have to take the readings of our different friends. Okay, right. First heart rate nearly 75, even pulse rate also it would be 75. And let's see one more student, Raju, and his heart rate 72, even pulse rate 72. Okay, right. Likewise we got the results. Okay, the rate of the heartbeat per minute and rate of the pulse per minute. Now observe, what is our observation? We have observed that the heart rate and pulse rate both are same. Okay, they are exactly same. So heart rate, pulse rate is nothing but, so how the pulse is generating? Because of heartbeat only. When the heart is contracted, the blood is flowing the blood vessels with that same force. So how many times heartbeat? So that many times the pulse will get. Okay, so hence we can conclude that heart rate and pulse rate both are same. So that is the activity 3. Now let us do one more activity, lab activity, observing the internal structure of heart. Okay, what is the activity? I will erase this. Lab activity. Okay, right. Any activity it should have aim. What is the aim of our activity? To observe the internal structure of mammalian heart. Okay, so that is the aim of our activity, to observe the internal structure of mammalian heart. So what the meaning materials we require? Materials freshly collected hot of sheep or goat. Okay, from nearby butcher or nearby mutton shop, so we have to collect a fresh heart of a live heart of goat or sheep. Okay, that is one. Then soda straws. Okay, if soda straws are not available, then we can use empty pen refills. Okay, the empty refills. Okay, pen refills we can use, and sharp and long blade, which is also known as scalpel. Okay, scalpel. One tray, jug of water, and if requires scissor and forceps. Okay, so these are the materials. You can see freshly collected heart of sheep or goat, soda straws or pen refills, a sharp long blade or scalpel, a tray, jug of water, scissors, one scissor is enough, and forceps. Okay, so these are the materials. Procedure, observation. Procedure. So before going to bring the heart to the laboratory, we have to wash it. Okay, immediately after bringing from the mutton shop, we have to wash it because it will be filled with blood. We have to drain out the blood. Okay, and properly we have to wash it. After washing, after draining the blood, we have to put the pen refills or soda straws into the heart. So thereby the blood vessels will not collapse. Okay, we can observe very clearly all the blood vessels. Okay, likewise we have to bring to the laboratory. That is point 1. Okay, right. Procedure 1, we have to wash properly. Now the second point, take a tray with water. Okay, take a tray with water. Now keep the heart in such a way that the broad end of the heart should be above and the narrow end should be below. Just wait. It is a tray. What it is? Tray. So pour the water in the tray and keep it on a table. Okay, right. Now we have to take the heart. Okay, just it is a heart. It is not a real heart. Nijamainadante kaadu. Okay, just it is a model. Okay, so hold in such a way the broad end of the heart should be above and narrow end should be below. Ana ee chinna irupaina place anedi kinda undali, ee broad area anedi paina undali. So keep in a tray in this way. Ee vidhanga pettali. Ee vidhanga petti em cheyali ante, now with the help of a sharp blade, okay, scalpel, blade లేదు ఏం లేదు. Okay, just ఇది scale. Okay, right, like cut the heart longitudinally. ఏ విధంగా కట్ చేయాలి? So we have to take a longitudinal section. Likewise it can easily divide. All the parts should be visible very clearly. Okay, so from the anterior side we have to cut. So then we can divide the heart into 2 pieces. Okay, so likewise we can get the 2 pieces. Then observe the internal structure of the heart. So that is the lab activity. Okay, once I repeat it, take a tray, pour the water into the tray. Now take the heart and make sure that the broad end of the heart should be above, narrow end should be below. With the help of sharp knife or scalpel or blade, take a longitudinal section, cut vertically. Okay, thereby we can see the internal structure of the heart. So that is the procedure. Okay, we can add 3 or 4 points to the procedure. So that is enough. Then observe. What is our observation? So before cutting to the internal structure, we have to observe its external features. Okay, external structure. First we talk about its shape. of this heart? Okay, it is triangular in outline, inverted pear shape. What it is? Inverted pear shaped and triangular in outline. Okay, that is the shape. Next, this color. What is its color? So generally the heart color is reddish brown. What it is? Reddish brown. Then what is the size of the heart? Size. Okay, everyone's clenched fist. What it is? Clenched fist of individual. Okay, if we measure 10 to 12 centimeters in length, okay, 12 centimeters in length, and at the broad end nearly 9 centimeters. 9 centimeters width at its broad end, not at narrow end. 10 to 12 centimeter length and 9 centimeters, an average of 9 centimeters in width at the broad end, not at the narrow end. So that is the size. Location. Where it is located? It is located in the rib cage between the two lungs. Okay, and slightly it is tilted toward the left side. Okay, and the area where heart located between the lungs is known as mediastinum. What it is? Mediastinum. Okay. Then one more point. How protection? How it is protected? Okay. Fifth point I will write. Covered by a double membranous structure that is called pericardium. Okay, heart is covered with a double membranous structure, outermost layer of the heart. Okay, double membranous structure that is called pericardium. This pericardium is filled with a fluid that is called pericardial fluid, which protects the heart from mechanical shock site injury and also helps in reducing the friction. Thereby, heart can beat very easily. So this is about the external features of the heart. In the next class, we will discuss about the internal structure of the heart. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this class, do subscribe, share, comment, like and tap on bell icon for the further notifications. Okay, thank you once again.